Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pierre and today I present you with a nice spirulina bread buns, gluten-free, vegan, and if you like this kind of bread you're gonna enjoy it. Not only the green color but also the fact that it's gluten-free. So gluten-free flour, oatbran, rice flour, flax seeds, Himalayan salt, chia seed pre-soaked to make them gelatinous and provide bonding effect on the dough, coconut oil, spirulina powder diluted in water to make it easier to blend, brown sugar and dry yeast with a bit of water so it dilutes better and mix well in the dough. I then put my bowl on my KitchenAid and began working the dough with the hook, not overworking it, not breaking the dough, working it. You have also the option to do it by hand because this is feasible. I'm now forming my buns the size of a burger bun and rolling them in oatbran and sesame seeds so they will look more or less like a burger bun. Beside the green color, which I enjoy very much, very healthy. I will then pre-yeast the buns for about an hour and 30 minutes before putting them in the oven at 150 degrees for about 20 minutes, depending on the strength of your oven, of course. The proportions will be written under the video, so please check, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video for more interesting recipes.